University and the Center for Gender and Development welcomes everyone to the Karangahan para sa Kagabsan 2023.
Karangahan para sa Kagabsan is first known as the Karangahan para sa Kababaihan, which was an appreciation of the services rendered by the outstanding women in service across the university.
But this time, in conjunction with the National Women's Month celebrations theme for 2023 to 2028, We for Gender Equality and Inclusive Society, we shall now include both the men and the LGBTQIA+ to become more inclusive. Hence, the Karangahan para sa Kagabsan is put into reality.
Friends, tonight, the Bicol University Center for Gender and Development will give tribute and recognition to the outstanding God advocate of Bicol University, corresponding to the different units and colleges of the university.
With this, to begin our ceremonies, may we request everyone to please rise for the doxology with Professor Jimmy Lopez, BUCGAD Coordinator, and Ms. Camille D. Jalay, BUCGAD staff. This will be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem through the PCW's audiovisual presentation.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Il Signore mi rindió lo strumento della vostra pace. Lasciarlo seminare l'amore.
Where there's hatred, let me sow love.
Ci è ferita del mondo, dove sia l'odio.
naging bahagi ng mga kababaihan sa lipunang Pilipino. Kaisa sila sa marugdog na paghahangad ng kalayaan ng ating lahi. Kabilang sila sa paglinang ng ating makulay na sining at mayamang kultura. Kasapi sila sa pagtataguyod ng mga adhikain ng kapwa mamamayan at sa pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan ng lipunan. Katuwang sila sa pagtuklas sa mga larangan ng agham at medisina. Kapanalig sila sa pagpapairal ng batas, karapatan at katarungan para sa lahat. Kapahagi sila sa paglilingkod sa bayan at sa pagpapanatili ng demokrasyang Pilipino. Sa paglipas ng panahon, hindi nagmaliw ang kanilang pag-ibig sa ating inang bayan. Mga kababayan, ito ang alay ng mga kababaihang Pilipino para sa bayan. Tumayo po tayong lahat at sabay-sabay nating awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kanyang pag-ibig, nasa silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dilim mo'y buhay. Lumang hinirap, tulad ka ng pag-ibig, sa magdulugin, ito masisingin, sa lahat ng tulog, sa sigat at sa langit mo kapag, maingat ang tulak at awit sa paglayang nilalaan, ang sagang wala mo'y tagumpay na nag-iigit, ang inuling na tayo kailan pa may magiging, lumang araw naman ating magsimang, buhay namin sa piling mo, ang hindi kaya na pag may magkakapit, ang mamatay ng tayo sa'yo.
Please be seated. Thank you very much, Professor Lopez and Ms. Jelay. To formally open this momentous event, let us all welcome the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan, for the opening message.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maliyaho. Kita na lang na ngayon. Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much. And to our MC, thank you very much. Tonight, we celebrate the last day for the Women's Month celebration. And personally, I also celebrate because this is my last day of service in Bicol University. Well, not service, I mean active service, because I will start my leave, my sabbatical leave, effective tomorrow. Sabi ko, parang pang closing remarks yata ito sa akin dito sa BU. Thank you, our beloved Director of the Center for Gender and Development, Dr. Noel Raffer. Saan po ikaw? Ay! Maraming salamat for inviting me tonight and to celebrate with all of you about the Karangahan para sa Kagabsan. I also would like to acknowledge our Vice President for Administration and Finance, Sir Joseph, my teammate. Of course, our beloved Deans and Directors who are here with us tonight, the Associate Deans and Directors, all the Chiefs and Heads of Offices, our beloved President, wala siya ngayon, but let me greet him tonight. Also, we have our coordinators of the GUCGAD coordinators of all the units of the Bicol University, our beloved students, thank you for coming. Our faculty members, friends, ladies and gentlemen, maray na banggi po gilayon sa inyo, boss. A while ago, I was asking, what's the English word for karangahan? Ranga, sabi ni Sir Daves, means comfort. Nag-joke naman si Ma'am Lord, comfort women. Sabi ko, hindi naman. So, I would like to share with you the joys of being a woman, but not necessarily just being a woman, but being a person. Because all of us has actually this innate character within us to provide comfort. So tonight's theme is We for Gender Equality and Exclusive Society. We can be equal. Karangahan para sa Kagabsan. And I would like to touch my message or to give emphasis to my message about the word comfort. Gusto ko na magkanta, pero hindi ko nakantahon. I-resign ko na. Pero madam, thank you for the song, kanina. I was touched by your message. This is a question. And I would like to ask all of us to ask the same question as I recite them. Have I done any good in the world today? Have I helped anyone in need? Have I cheered up the sad and made someone feel glad? If not, I have failed indeed. Has anyone's burden been lighter today because I was willing to share? Have the sick and the weary been helped on their way? Have the sick and the weary been helped on their way? Sorry. Has anyone's burden been lighter today because I was willing to share? Have the sick and the weary been helped on their way? When they needed my help, was I there? Then wake up and do something more than dream of your mansion above. Doing good is a pleasure, a joy beyond measure, a blessing of duty and love. For me, that aptly describe the word comfort. Simple acts of service. This actually can help us and those we are permitted to influence. There are crossroads in our lives, and during these crossroads, we actually encounter people whom we do not think about, but they are there to give a little comfort to some things that we need along the way. So, these important crossroads may be opportunities for us that we are not left alone to grope in the dark. My dear colleagues in Bicol University, let us not be weary in well-doing, for we are laying the foundation of a great work. And this great work that we are given in Bicol University is to make sure that Bicol University is afloat, is moving forward, and is helping our beloved students. Out of small things, proceeded that which is great. Serving others, as we do our respective assignments in Bicol University, need not come from spectacular events. Often, it is the simple daily act that gives comfort, gives upliftment, encourages, sustains, and brings a smile to others. So as we close our Women's Month celebration, even the men, the women, all of us can actually become an influence for others. May we always find opportunities to serve in small or big ways, because this actually will give meaning to the life of others. So as we end tonight's celebration, as we end the celebration of the Women's Month tonight, and as I also end my service in BU tonight, I would like to thank you all for the small things, for the big things, and those things in between. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat at magandang gabi po.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Ami, for that inspiring message. And now, let us all listen to the message of the Bicol University's ninth President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Debres III. On his behalf, he will be represented by the Vice President for Admin and Finance. May I call in Attorney Joseph Bartolado.
Thank you, Sir Gilbert and Ma'am Rose. The Vice President for Academic Affairs, of course the outgoing Vice President for Academic Affairs, Ma'am Ami. I would like to especially mention the Director of BUCGAD, Dr. Noel Raffer, the Deans and Directors, Heads of Offices, faculty members, members of the teaching and non-teaching staff, students, ladies and gentlemen, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. The President would have been privileged and delighted to be joining us this evening had it not been for an official business in Manila. But to make his presence felt, he has sent a message which I will share with you. Friends, March has always been Women's Month. But in fairness to the men around, did you know that we also have a celebration for the International Men's Day? It falls on November 19 of every year. So on this account, men and women are celebrated equally. However, there is a celebration in the US in March only for women. It is known as the Women's History Month. Unfortunately, there is no Men's History Month, Sir Leo. But we will make history. Proclamation number 227 series of 1988, signed by President Aquino on March 17, 1988, provided the observance of the month of March as women's role in History Month. But we do not have Men's History Month. Of course, the reason is obvious. According to an online article, Women's History Month is a response to a very real need to give students a more accurate representation of women throughout history. There is no such need for men's history because the accomplishments of men are well chronicled, well respected, and well taught. But of course, it should not always be a battle between men and women. No, it should be complementation between and among men and women and those who have different orientations. So friends, tonight we honor our women in Bicol University. And this is another significant way of ensuring that women's voices are heard. Philanthropist Melinda Gates said, "A woman with a voice is by definition a strong woman. But the search to find that voice can be remarkably difficult. This is precisely the reason why we need events that can serve as an avenue where women's voices are given importance and heard. We also need programs and activities that turn everyone's attention on the plight of women and the issues they continue to face at work or in the domestic scene. Plans that are of, for, and about women are necessary so that each voice is heard equally and all issues are mainstreamed. So friends, tonight we honor our outstanding GAD coordinators, and as we honor them, let us be reminded of our duty to ensure inclusiveness and equity as emphasized by the MCs, not only for women, but also for everyone who could be left out or left behind. My heartfelt commendation to the director of BUCGAD and the staff and his staff, and all those who made this event possible. Thank you very much, and once again, congratulations to the honorees.
Thank you very much, Attorney Bartolata, for sharing with us Dr. Neves' message. And now, to give us a dance number, let us all welcome the Bicol University Albay Magayon Dance Troupe, trained by Mr. John Robert Luod under the supervision of their creative director, the BUIPSR director, Professor Karina Sales.
right. Thank you so much, Albay Magayin Dance Group, for that entertaining dance number.
You can have po your dinner while we proceed with the program. Thank you.
To entertain us, may I call in Miss Camille Jalai to give us a song.
Okay, once again, we will pause for 10 minutes for you to have your dinner, and we will be serenaded by one of the staff of the BUCGAD, Miss Camille Jelay.
Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you look a mess, I whisper underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dream. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secret, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We were still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. just the way you are. Her lips, I would kiss them all day if she let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. Imperfect's what you're searching for, but just stay the same. So don't ever ask me if you look okay. Now I'll say, when I see your face, there is not a thing that I would change. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I will change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. When you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
And enjoy your dinner. Very exciting. If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The night would seem
ladies and gentlemen, ang mga songbird ng Bicol University Center for Gender and Development. A round of applause po for Professor Gigi Lopez and Miss Camille Jalay. So by the way, we have po a mobile bar at the back. So pwede nyo na po siyang i-enjoy. So we will now resume with the program.
Alright? So we will now have the presentation of certificates of commendation to the outstanding GAD advocates of the university by college or unit. But before that, allow us to read the mechanics on how the outstanding GAD advocates of each unit and college were chosen. Number 1, each college or unit, through their respective GAD coordinator or designated personnel, shall make a simple call survey through the social media or any platforms or means as to whom they think as their outstanding college or unit GAD advocate for 2023. Which means that the one who actively participated in its gender mainstreaming efforts and advocacies.
Number 2, the nominee with the highest number of nominations from their respective college or unit shall be declared as the winner and be awarded with a token, certificate of commendation, and a bouquet of flowers during the awarding program tribute. Number 3, each college or unit shall only have one winner, inclusive of teaching and non-teaching personnel and all gender. Hence, respondents should nominate or choose well as to who will be their college or unit's outstanding GAD advocate.
For the criteria on how the winners were chosen, they evaluated based on the following. Number 1, the nominate should be a bona fide BU personnel regardless of tenure, sex, and gender. 20% has exhibited clear commitment towards gender equality, gender-based non-discrimination and basic knowledge of gender issues, 20%. 3 has exhibited productive scholarship, good transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive godly character, 20%. Has best integrated GAD perspective into one's profession or specialization and has conscious use of gender-fair language as he or she reaches out to the different persons and clienteles in the campus, 20%. Has displays readiness to invest time for organizing and or participating in the GAD programs, activities, and projects of the college or unit, 20% with a total of 100%.
With that, friends, we will start with the awarding of the outstanding GAD advocates in BU Daraga campus. This consists of the College of Social Science and Philosophy, College of Business Economics and Management, and the College of Law. The presenters of the award are Dr. Lorna M. Nina, Dean, BU College of Education, and Professor Arlene A. Balieras, BUCGAD Associate Dean.
The citation reads, Bicol University Center for Gender and Development award the certificate of commendation to Professor Mark M. Catus in a special and sincere recognition for being the outstanding GAD advocate of Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy for 2023. Given this 31st day of March 2023, during the Karangahan para sa Kagabsan 2023 at Hotel St. Elise, Legazpi City, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Noel R. Ferd, Director, Center for Gender and Development. Dr. Benjamin D. Deprest III, SU, President 4.
Before the awarding, we will first announce the nominees in BU College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. The nominees are Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno, Mr. Professor Glenton O. Biriba, and Mr. Mark M. Gatus.
The outstanding GAD advocate in BUCSSB for 2023 is Mr. Mark M. Gatos. Congratulations, sir. From BU College of Business, Economics, and Management, in no particular order, the nominees are Professor Edgar S. Barameda, Mr. Elmer A. Lorenzana, Ms. Imelda A. Shakno, Ms. Annalisa O. Babilona.
And outstanding GAD advocate in BU College of Business, Economics, and Management for 2023 is Professor Imelda A. Shakno. Congratulations. For the College of Law nominees, we have Ms. Diane B. Bermas, Ms. Michelle R. Andes, Attorney Norley P. Reyes, and Attorney Alex Nepomuceno.
The outstanding GAD advocate for the BU College of Law is Attorney Norley B. Reyes. Congratulations to the outstanding GAD advocates.
Thank you, Dr. Mina and Professor Valieras, and congratulations to the awardees. Next, we have the BU Legazpi West Campus, consists of the College of Education, College of Medicine, and Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation. The presenters of the award are Ms. Michelle Andes, GAD Coordinator of the College of Law, okay, stand corrected. So we will have first the awarding of the outstanding GAD advocates for the College of Nursing, Open University. To present the awardees, may we call on Dr. Leticia M. Lopez, Dean, BUCAL, and Professor Dave Stonga, OIC, OSAS.
For the College of Nursing, the nominees are Ms. Para Gutierrez, Dr. Odette R. Gonzalez, Dr. Kate Annette S. Ibo.
The outstanding GAD advocate for BUCN for 2023 is Dr. Odette R. Gonzalez. Congratulations.
University. The nominees are Dr. Ramesses M. Lorino, Dr. Melinda de Guzman, Dr. Roldan C. Cabiles.
The Outstanding God Advocate for 2023 of BU Open University is Dr. Roldan C. Cabiles. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Lopez and Professor Dave Tonga. Now let's proceed with the graduate College of Science and College of Arts and Letters. The presenters are Dr. Jean Anen S. Ibo, Dean, College of Nursing. Dr. Charina Jason Hon, Director, Alumni Relations Office.
Good evening. The nominees for Outstanding God Advocates in BU Graduate School are Dr. Angela E. Lorenzana, Professor Benita B. Hugo, Dr. Roldan C. Cabiles.
And the Outstanding God Advocate of Bicol University Graduate School for 2023 is Professor Benita B. Hugo. The nominees from Bicol University College of Science are Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano, Professor Pritzi S. Ray, Professor Junor D. Bobiles. And the Outstanding God Advocate of Bicol University College of Science for 2023 is Professor Junor D. Bobiles.
For the BU College of Arts and Letters, the nominees are Miss Michelle B. Andes, Miss Gladys G. Serafita, Miss Marimel Florence M. Solatos, Dr. Alicia K. Asaituno, Professor Junor B. Bobiles, Rudy B. Lebreja.
And the Outstanding God Advocate for 2023 for Bicol University College of Arts and Letters is Mr. Rudy V. Lebreja. Thank you very much, Dr. Ibo and Dr. Sipcon. We will now proceed with the BU Legazpi East Campus. So for the College of Engineering, College of Industrial Technology, and Institute of Design and Architecture. The presenters of the award are Ms. Michelle Andes, the GAD Coordinator of the College of Law, and Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno, PhD, the Dean of BUCSSP.
For Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture, the nominees are Ms. Arlene Alimani, Ms. Jenny Rose Alco, and Architect Jobel N. Bartolome.
And the Outstanding God Advocate for 2023 of BU IDEA is Ms. Jenny Rose C. Falco.
For Bicol University College of Engineering, the nominees are Engineer Carmela R. Mirandilla, Engineer Amelia B. Gonzalez, and Engineer Francia Abarientos.
The Outstanding God Advocate of BU College of Engineering for 2023 is Engineer Francia Abarientos. Congratulations.
The nominees from Bicol University College of Industrial Technology are Ms. Arlene L. Alemania, Ms. Christy L. Balunsay, Ms. Maria Ami M. Osma, and Ms. Ava Nicole B. Azodea.
Ms. Ribena J. Gacos, Ms. Arlene A. Balieras, Mr. Christian C. Calieja, and Mr. Mark Dave M. Asoles. The Outstanding God Advocate in the seat is Ms. Ribena J. Gacos. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ms. Andes and Professor Barson. And now, let us welcome once again the Bicol University Magallanes Dance Troupe for a modern dance number.
like carnival. Rock to the air, waving 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 like carnival. Everyone never see your hands up, straight up into the sky with your hands up. Everybody move those stand up, straight up into the sky with your hands up. You got the vibes on way up, roll up the ball on way up. Everyone's come from way up. Hey, everybody hands go up. Everyone never see your hands up, straight up into the sky with your hands up. Everybody move those stand up, straight up into the sky with your hands up. You got the vibes on way up, roll up the ball on way up. Everyone's from way up. Hey, everybody hands go up. Everybody hands go up.
Thank you very much, BU Albay Magayon Dance Troupe. So we will now proceed with the awarding of the Certificate of Commendation to the outstanding GAD advocates from the BU Legazpi West Campus. So to award po, may we request the Director of BU IDEA, Architect Leo, to please be on stage together with our VP for Admin and Finance, Attorney Joseph Bartolata. So for the BU Legazpi West Campus, we have the College of Medicine, the College of Education, and the Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation. The presenters of the award are Dr. Maria Giselle N. Ortega, the Dean of BU Tobacco, and Dr. Rosemary R. J.D., the Dean of BU BUCGAD.
For the College of Medicine, the nominees are Dr. Geraldine Adviento, Miss Elvira Azul, and Dr. Ophelia Samarsi.
The outstanding GAD advocate for BUCM is Dr. Ophelia Samarsi. M. Abanza, Ms. Rona M. Minya, Ms. Marcia Corazon P. Rico.
The outstanding God advocate for BU College of Education is Dr. Lorna M. Minya. The nominees for Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation are Miss Myla D. Camata, Miss Angelica M. Llanto, Miss Christine Apple L. Dorado, Mr. Lyndon L. Bailon, Miss Sarah Jane B. Labarda, and Professor Karina L. Sales.
And the outstanding God advocate for BU IPSR is Ms. Sarah Jane Labarda.
Thank you, Dr. Ortega and Dr. Haji, and congratulations all the awardees. We will now have the Bicol University Tabaco, Bicol University Ginubatan, and Bicol University Polangi. The presenters are Maria Teresa Abaisa, the head of BUILS, together with architect Maureen M. Sia, Associate Dean, Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture.
The nominees for the Outstanding God Advocate 2023 of BU Tabaco are Dr. Maria Gisela Mortega, Mr. Albert B. Balase, and Mr. Henson Wilhelmina.
The Outstanding God Advocate for 2023 of BU Tabaco is Mr. Albert B. Balasier. The nominees for the Outstanding God Advocate 2023 of BU Ginubatan are Marisa N. Estrella, Emma L. Macariola, Dr. Roosevelt B.
And the Outstanding God Advocate for 2023 of BU Ginubatan is Dr. Roosevelt D. The nominees for the Outstanding God Advocate 2023 of BU Pulangi are Mary Joy B. Katangi, Eden M. Yamera, and April Joy B. Nuez.
The Outstanding God Advocate for 2023 of BU Palangi is April Joy P. Nuez.
For BUCGAD, BU Auxiliary, BU Research, Development and Extension, and BUGAS, the presenters of the award are Dr. Rose Vida T. Villanueva, the GAD Coordinator of BUCGAD, and Architect Leo A. Del Rosario, Director, BU IDEA. May we request po, Director Noel to please be on stage to award the Certificate of Commendation to the Outstanding GAD Advocates for 2023. Thank you po.
Good evening. The nominees for the Outstanding GAD Advocate 2023 of BUCGAD are Ms. Maria Rochelle M. Marcaide, Mr. Gilbert E. Lopez, and Mr. Demetrio E. Castillo.
The outstanding GAD advocate for 2023 of BUCGAD campus is Mr. Gilbert E. Lopez.
Advocate 2023 of BU Auxiliary Services are Dr. Maritoni Ayen Cañaveral, Ms. Chodora N. Uñato, and Ms. Jenny Marie M. Morcos-Soliana.
The outstanding GAD advocate for 2023 of BU Auxiliary is Ms. Chodora N. Uñato. Congratulations.
The nominees for the Outstanding GAD Advocate 2023 are the following: Ms. Joyce Camille T. Sepe, Mr. Jason M. Morales, and Professor Rowena F. Zoino.
The outstanding GAD advocate for 2023 of BURDE is Mr. Jason M. Morales. Congratulations.
The nominees for the Outstanding GAD Advocate 2023 of BU General Administrative Support Services are Maria Mayra C. Ostero Caparas, Dr. Jennifer T. Barameda, and Mr. Adrian J. Graheda.
The outstanding GAD advocate for 2023 of BUGASS BUGAS is Maria Mayra C. Austero Caparas. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Dr. Villanueva and Architect Del Rosario. Friends, our awards night is not complete without recognizing one empowered woman who has been in the center pushing with the hard work the advocacies of gender and development. To present the certificate of commendation as outstanding service rendered to the Bicol University Center for Gender and Development, may I call in Dr. Noel Arafer, Director, BU Center for Gender and Development, and Vice President for Administrative and Finance, Attorney Joseph M. Bartolata. The citation reads, Bicol University Center for Gender and Development awards the Certificate of Commendation to Professor Gretchen Belesano Millena for the outstanding service rendered to the Bicol University Center for Gender and Development from August 2020 to March 2023 as R&D support and general staff. Even this 31st day of March 2023, during the Karangahan para sa Kagabsan 2023 at until St. Elise, Legazpi City, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Noel Arafer, Director BUCGAD, Dr. Baby Benjamin D. Debres III, SUP President 4.
Congratulations, Ma'am Gretchen. The Center for Gender and Development also would like to give commendation to the individuals who's been part of the center in making this activity possible. The citation reads, Bicol University Center for Gender and Development awards the Certificate of Commendation to BU Albay Magayon Dance Troupe in special and sincere recognition for their contribution and exemplary performance during the Karangahan para sa Kagabsan 2023. Given this 31st day of March 2023 at the Hotel St. Elise, Legazpi City, Philippines, signed Dr. Noel R. Raffer, Director, BUCGAD, and Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUP President 4. The same Certificate of Commendation is awarded to the BU Communications and Public Relations Office. Any representative po from the office to receive the award?
Now have the awarding of Certificate of Commendation as expression of appreciation and recognition of commitment instrumental to the institutionalization of gender and development in the university. To present the award, let us welcome the Bicol University GAD Focal Point System Chairperson, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Debres, and his behalf, he will be represented by Attorney Joseph Bartolata, Vice President for Administrative and Finance. The citation reads, Bicol University Center for Gender and Development awards the Certificate of Commendation to Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, a sincere expression of appreciation and recognition of commitment instrumental to the institutionalization of gender and development in Bicol University. Given this 31st day of March 2023, during the Karangahan para sa Kagabsan 2023 at Hotel St. Elise, Legazpi City, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Noel Arafer, Director, Center for Gender and Development, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Debres III, SUP President 4.
In behalf of Dr. Mascareñas, Ms. Calisin will receive the award. And once again, congratulations and thank you, Dr. Mascareñas, for all of your support and commitment in institutionalizing gender and development in the university.
And now, friends, as we are nearing the end of this program, let us all welcome the Bicol University Center for Gender and Development Director, Dr. Noel Arafer, for the closing remarks.
Thank you very much, Jimmy and Roslyn. Maray nabanggit po sa Kagabos. From the bottom of my hypothalamus, tama ko, Doktora. From the bottom of my hypothalamus, at the same time of my heart. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming tonight, for gracing this activity, especially to the officials of the university headed by Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dean Ibres, the third, as represented, of course, by the Vice President for Admin and Finance, Attorney Joseph Bartolata. And of course, all the members of the GFPS, hindi ko na po kamo saro-saroon. And congratulations as well to all the awardees tonight. I just hope that you will continue to be advocates of gender and development with or without the awards. O pagdalayon na po ang gender and development mainstreaming in the university. Congratulations everyone and thank you very much for coming po sa Ilocos. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Raffer, and congratulations also.
There you have it, everyone. That concludes our event for tonight. Congratulations to all the awardees. May we all be vessel in promoting gender equality and inclusive society.
This is Roslyn O. Ragas,
And I am GB Lopez,
your host
for tonight. Maray na banggit po sa Kagabos.